my scrappy life. Welcome back to my channel. This is the layout chair and my kit of what's left over from my How to Kill a Kit with Style July, my Christmas in July edition. So I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layouts done and 2 of my little cards, and I'll show you that because these I did not do process videos for. All of these has process videos except for the 2 that I will tell you. So this one is called Flying High. I stamped this and these out and made them into cut files, and this has got a process video on my channel. This is called Lights, and this is also a process video on my channel. And then this one is called PJs. I did this one for Cheeky Studio, so this one is on Cheeky Studio's website, YouTube channel. And then I did tons here. So the chipboard was a challenge in Rediscover Your Stash. So throughout all of this going forward, because I don't think these had it, no. So from this on, you will see a bunch of chipboard on my layouts. And then these are Cheeky Studios products that are on here that I incorporated into my stash for this kit because I did not add this collection to it. And then this is also on the Cheeky Studios website. I decided to do paper rolling. Good God, I am going to tell you this. I'm not going to do this all the time. One, it's really, I mean, it's like you can tell. Look how thick, look how thick that is. It's very thick. So I won't do this all the time, but I went to one of the expos in Georgia here with Heather from Heather's Crafty Life, and we saw this on the wall, and that's what this came. But this is on Cheeky Studios website. This one I just did on Monday, and this one is called Favorite Christmas Songs. And this one's on my channel. Here's chipboard again. Okay, and then these little guys are to finish out my Christmas. So, let me see. Did I not get them done? I didn't do that page. Okay. This here, I didn't get this page done. So I have a page that I'm working on, which will probably get done in November, but it goes along with these. So I took the rest of my pages and I made this all look with some little different stuff on it for my daughter. And then this is from her Christmas. So this page, so these are going to be like complimentary pages in my book, like this. And then this is going to be in the middle. So this was the beginning at my house. This was during the program. This was after with her teacher. And then I've just finished this one today. So go back and check my process video in the morning if you are watching this on Tuesday. If not, you've probably already watched it. But here's this. So those are my layouts that I have. Ooh. What the heck? Eek, eek, eek. Okay, there we go. So these are my layouts that I have done for the month of July. There isn't quite very many, but one of them took me forever. Okay, now, this is what I have left over. I did have to add, I think, my last 3 layouts, I had to add paper because I ran out. But I knew that going into it that I was going to. But really, I didn't grab any new or any old or any of that kind of stuff. I already had a bunch of crepe paper Fall of Law collection in my stash to begin with. And I just never added it because I wanted to clean up this December daily kit that I used from Hip Kit and from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. So I added a bunch of papers and I added these 3 things into my kit because I just needed a little extra, because you'll see why. But these got added in there, and I'm just going to leave it in there. So I still have this left over. I didn't touch these at all. These here, I did use some of them, so I'm down to just a little bit. I touched these a little bit. I still have my doilies, unfortunately, to some people. I cleaned this out pretty good. I used up a lot of the chipboard. This was completely full except for the stars, but now all of this is pretty well gone. So that's good. And then I did use the letters because these were brand new when I used them, so I used that up. And this is like, this was pretty well full, and now it's pretty well done. These here, I combined them, and they're pretty well, like this one is pretty full, but this one is pretty empty. So I still have quite a bit of dupes yet, but not too many as when I started. Okay, and then I have these left. I have the little sayings left. This is still some of the, this used to be a 12 by 12, but that is still the 6 by 6. So this is all the paper that I have left over. I had a bunch of small stuff that I just chucked because I'm not one to hoard. And so this is all that was actually in the kit. This, I've gotten down to just this. Oh, and then I did use some of these up on mine, but a lot of what's left of this is like the coffee mugs and whatnot, and I'm saving that for my Starbucks cup this year that I always get during Christmas time. And then I added this, which is the glittery whatever you want to call it. This was part of it already. I added this paper from Fa La La on there, and I added this paper, and I didn't get to it. So that is my kit. That is what is left over. I will link everybody else down below for you to go check theirs out. Tomorrow I have my kit going up. It'll be in the afternoon. That is going up as well to show you what I'm going to use for the month of August. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.